Pony Girls Horse Care Resort, too. Hi, my name is Cherry. This is Crystal. Get her ready for the bath. Tap those fluffy creatures.
Yeah. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Woo!
Now take care of Crystal's teeth. Brush your teeth, please. Great! Now wipe it. Pour some water. It's time to take a bath. Sprinkle some petals, please. Pour some bubble bath. Pop the bubbles. You're doing great. Use the sponge to bathe her. Rinse it. Great! Now dry her coat. Very good. Now let's use the hair dryer. Use the soft brush. Choose the color you like and paint her. When you're done, click the photo button. Now color the mane and the tail. To finish, click the photo button. Good job! Crystal looks amazing! Hey, my hooves look bad. Can you help me? First, brush off the dirt. Now let's do a manicure. Fill the bowl with water. Pour some rose oil. Pour some bubble bath. Pop the bubbles. Trim excess hoof wall. Polish it. Choose the color you like and paint it. Look much better now. Add some shiny crystals and some flowers. Yay! Good job! My hooves look amazing. Thank you. Pull the tassel. Let's change Bubbles' hairstyle. First, let's make a hair mask. Add honey. Sprinkle some petals, please. Mix everything together. Wait for a few minutes. Apply a hair mask. You're doing great! Use the sponge to bathe her. Rinse it. Click on it. Great! Now brush it. Take the scissors and cut it. Great! dry her coat. Choose the color you like and paint her. When you're done, click the photo button. Her hair looks amazing! Choose the right accessories to complete the look. So pretty! Wow! Wow! Ooh, very nice! Help Wendy to fly again. Oh no! Look at those spots! Great! Apply the plasters. Grab the wand and do some magic. You're doing great! Now remove old feathers and add new ones. Now use your magic wand. Very good! Now let's use a hair dryer. Yay! Good job! Now Wendy can fly again. Get ready for a ride. Tap and hold to go up. Release to go down. Yay! You did a great job. It's getting harder. Collect apples and avoid lightning.